Alright, hello everybody, this is Iowa on Tuesday, the January 29th, I believe, and it is severe wind chill with Arctic front here today, and I'm going to do a little science experiment here, or at least one of the first ones. I'm holding boiling hot water in my hand right now, and it is almost negative 40 out, so we're going to turn some boiling water into snow. Here we go. Alright everybody, I am back for my second test, which is going to be watching bubble solution freeze when it is about negative 41 degrees outside. Bundle up kids, don't try this at home without layers on. Come on. It's getting really cold out. Oh. Oh my god. Alright guys, I'm back, except this time I'm going to try homemade bubble solution. So that includes some dish soap, corn syrup, and sugar. And obviously hot water, and then you put it in the freezer for a little bit so that it gets slushy, and then you try it. But here we go.